The second generation of the DesertX has broken cover, ushering in Ducati's latest 890cc V2 platform and a raft of chassis, electronics, and ergonomic upgrades aimed squarely at serious adventure riders. Visually, it remains unmistakably DesertX. The retro-inspired twin circular headlights are retained, along with a familiar livery, though the bodywork has been subtly reshaped. Updated panels now feature a grippier finish for improved rider control, while the front end sits 20 mm lower to aid aerodynamics. A broader windscreen and robust handguards offer greater protection from the elements. At the heart of the bike is Ducati's new generation 890cc V2 engine, producing a claimed 110.3 horsepower at 9,000 RPM and 92 Nm of torque at 7,000 RPM. Impressively, 70% of that torque is available from just 3,000 RPM, promising flexible drive on and off-road. Gear ratios have been revised, with shorter, lower gears to enhance off-road tractability and a taller sixth gear for more relaxed, fuel-efficient cruising. Service intervals are competitive too, with oil changes every 15,000 kilometers or 2 years and valve clearance checks required every 45,000 kilometers. Like the rest of Ducati's V2 family, the new DesertX abandons the brand's traditional trellis frame in favor of a purpose-built monocoque front frame. This structure also serves as a 12.5-liter airbox, reducing weight while increasing rigidity. A model-specific blacked-out aluminum swing arm replaces the hollowed-out design seen on other V2 machines, while a trellis subframe provides space for a pillion. Ergonomics have been refined for improved off-road control. The foot pegs are positioned further back, with the seat and handlebars shifted slightly forward to make standing on the pegs more natural. Standard seat height is 880 mm, though this can be lowered to 840 mm. Claimed wet weight stands at 209 kilograms without fuel, a kilogram lighter than before. Fuel capacity is generous, with a redesigned 18-liter main tank shaped to be slimmer and to carry fuel lower in the chassis, helping centralize mass. For extended adventures, an optional auxiliary rear tank adds a further 8 liters. The main tank also incorporates crash pads for added protection in the event of a fall. Rolling stock comprises a 21-inch front and 18-inch rear tubeless spoked wheel set shod with Pirelli Scorpion Rally STR tires. Suspension comes courtesy of KYB, with fully adjustable forks offering independent leg adjustment and a rear shock featuring progressive linkage. Braking performance is handled by Brembo M432 monoblock calipers, gripping twin 305mm front discs, aided by revised pads and a redesigned lever to improve feel and modulation. Electronics are comprehensive, as expected from Ducati. A 6-axis IMU underpins a full lean-sensitive rider aid suite, including traction control, wheelie control, and 4-level cornering ABS. Riders can choose from 6 riding modes, with dedicated enduro and rally settings tailored specifically for off-road performance. Accessories will include aluminum hard luggage with dedicated mounting frames, soft luggage developed in partnership with Moscow Moto, and a Terminioni slip-on exhaust. The smartphone-compatible dash supports turn-by-turn navigation, ensuring the new DesertX is as capable crossing continents as it is carving trails.